I've been here going on 50 years, and it's been a glorious 50 years with all the students. I just love the students. I love making just anything the kids love to eat. I've had them bring me recipes from their mother and say, "My mom makes this, and I'm really homesick. Can you make it?" I said, "Sure, bring it in." And then just to see the joy in their face is what's so amazingly great. I was fortunate enough to 2 years ago go to Katy to see the girls and the boys play. This year I got to go to Katy and I saw the boys play the 2 games, and then to see the confetti come down and then the guys being so happy, it brought tears to my eyes. Oh, I've gone every year that I possibly can. I was going to watch basketball when Coach Joe was a player. It's just been a fabulous thing just to get to know all the girls and the boys on the team. I just love them all. We're all supporting of them, and me especially. And I just want them to know that I love them all. And no matter what you do, you play your best and be strong and never give up.
Go Wildcats!
Oh yes, I tell them, go ahead and eat it. I won't tell Coach. You eat what you want. Coach gets ice cream too, so y'all can get ice cream. And they'll laugh and they'll say, "Okay, Mama, but we won't tell." And I said, "No, we won't tell him."